Hi, Amy. My name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this quick video I'm going to go over 3 things you could start doing today to help impact your business. I found that by giving business owners a free attack plan of things that they could start doing today to help positively impact their business for free has given some of those business owners the faith to put their trust in me to help grow their company and help them along the way. If you like the things that you see in today's video and you think I have the tools and the tricks that can help your business improve, then go ahead and give me a call and we can set up a meeting. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan I give you and do it yourself, that totally works for me too. So let me not waste any more of your time and go over 3 things that'll set you above your competition. So the first thing we're going to look at today is going to be content. So I took your URL and I plugged it into a website called SEO Quake. As we can see, Alice Mudjacking. And what we see here is you have 827 words total on that homepage. Google has actually released that to be at full optimization with their website, they want to see a minimum of about 1,500 words on that homepage. So as we can see, you're falling a little bit shy on that. So what you could do is just simply add more content. Just fill out that front page with just more information. The reason Google does this is they want to make sure that the websites on there are relevant and are good information for what people are looking for. Now, content and quantity isn't the only thing, which leads me to my second point, which is going to be keywords. This goes hand in hand with the content quantity because it's the content quality. So for example, when I type things in like Mudjacking Milwaukee, we see your number 1 competitor pop up here. Now, what's important to look at first is that you guys have the top 3, Mudjacking, Atlas, and Milwaukee, 28, 11, and 10 respectively. Now let's look at your competition in SEO Quake. They're meeting at 1,500 words because they have 1,700 words. They have Mudjacking 44 times, Concrete, Leveling, Milwaukee, all more than you. And that's not only because they have more content quantity, but the quality of the keywords they selected. So when I typed in Mudjacking Milwaukee, it found Mudjacking 44 times and Milwaukee 14 times on this website, whereas it found it 28 times and 10 times on yours. So it pulled them up a little more. As you can see, these go hand in hand. But the third thing I'm going to talk about is the most important with SEO and how we get Atlas Mudjacking right here at number 1. And that's going to be your offsite SEO through backlinks and link juice. So simply put, a backlink is just a website pointing at your website or linking to it and giving your website link juice. The way it works is if site A is linking to site B, then site B would get some of site A's link juice. It shows Google that your website has authority, but really, in its simplest form, it's a popularity contest. However, much like the content, it wants to be quality. You want to have relevant sources pointing at you, such as other businesses that do the same thing as you, maybe business partners, or maybe someone who supplies you guys things like concrete or whatever, or even a blog about it. But what they don't want to see is unrelevant sources like Starbucks or McDonald's linking at you because you guys aren't in that industry. So as we can see, you're generating roughly 17 clicks a month off of the current SEO that you have. Now your competitor has 533 backlinks, 114 referring domains, and they're generating 150 clicks. So as we can see, it really does pay to have that change. You could get almost 130 more clicks just by beating out that competition and being the first on the organic listing. And you know that all the clicks that you're missing out on are basically $signs. So in conclusion, we discussed 3 things today. We discussed content quantity and how you need to have 1,500 words on this homepage. Secondly, we discussed content quality and how you want to have a lot of those keywords that you want to be found for and be located for. Thirdly, and most importantly, we discussed backlinking and your offsite SEO and how you want to have the most sites pointing at you guys to show Google you're the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you guys could be number 1 across Google in no time. So what now? Well, like I said, you can take this information I gave you today and do it all on your own, which is totally cool with me. However, if you want the most effective route and you want to see what other tools and tricks I have up my sleeve, then you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig and I can be reached at 813-515-3488. Thank you for your time and have a great day.